Class is in session.
Hey guys, Matt here from the 13th grade, the grade they never taught you in school, where we talk about everything money. Did you know that the average household carries around $137,000 worth of debt? Now that could be your house payment, car payments, credit cards, medical bills, anything like that. But that's a pretty significant number. In this video, we're going to be talking about paying off our debt with the debt avalanche. Okay, so the debt avalanche, the concept of this is to list out all of our debts in order from the highest interest rate debt to the lowest interest rate debt. And we're going to pay on the highest interest rate debt first, keeping a minimum balance payment on the other debts that we have. Until we've knocked off that highest interest loan, we're going to take all of that money and put it on the next highest interest loan to knock that one off, and then repeat and repeat until all of our debts are gone. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is list out all of the debts that we have. In this case, we're going to come up with a scenario of, let's say, a student loan that has a balance of $22,000. We're paying $375 a month, and we have a 7% interest on that loan. Next, we're going to have a car payment with a balance of $10,000 with a $300 monthly payment and an interest rate of 3%. After that, we're going to have a credit card with a balance of $3,000 and a monthly payment of $150 with a 17% interest rate. So what we're going to do is rearrange these in order from highest interest to lowest interest, starting with the credit card, 17%. Okay, so to pay off this credit card, we are going to start and come up with any extra money that we can every month to tack on to that $150 payment we have monthly. Let's say we have an extra $500 a month that we can put on this. Therefore, we're going to be paying $650 a month to knock this out. This should take us somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 months to pay off this credit card. If you guys are liking the debt avalanche so far, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So now that we've paid off this credit card, the next highest interest rate debt we have will be our student loans at 7%. So what we're going to do is take that $650 and tack that onto our $375 a month payment on our student loans. So at this rate, we're going to be paying $1,025 a month on our student loans. That should take us somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 years to pay off. But paying your student loans off in 2 years compared to 10, like most do, you're well ahead of the game here. So once we've paid off our student loans, we're going to take that $1,025 that we were spending on all these debts. So now that we have this $1,025 a month that we were paying on all of our other debts, we can tack this onto our car payment that's only $300 a month with the lowest interest rate that we're going to take care of last. So some numbers on this, we're going to be paying $1,325 a month on our car loan that has a balance of $10,000. This should take us somewhere in the neighborhood of, let's say, 8 months. So our car payment at this point would be much less than $10,000 2 years down the road after we started working on these debts. But for easy numbers, we're going to keep them this way. Okay, so the debt avalanche is that simple of an idea here. We're going to start knocking off our debts one by one, paying anything extra we can on the highest interest rate loan while keeping a minimum balance on our other loans until we get there. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, my name is Matt. This is the 13th grade, the grade they never taught you in school, where we talk about everything money. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.
You just got schooled.